Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to remove passwords on Infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After that you have to scroll down. Okay, when you scroll down on the down you can see this is the security. Click on security. When you click on the security, again you have to scroll. Okay, so here right now you can see this is the screen lock, right? Just click on this screen lock. When you click on it you have to confirm the password here. Okay, so let's confirm the password at first. So when you confirm the password you are going to find this screen. So if you want to remove the password, what you need to do is that you just click on this none option, the first option, and click on delete. Here the password will be removed successfully from your mobile phone. You can remove it like that. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.